everyone, how are you today? Today we are going to learn about bird. Let's take a look together. I will explain it for you. This is a bird. Its body is covered with feathers and it has wings. How many wings that bird has? Can you guess? Yes, you're right. 2 wings. The wings help it to fly and it lays eggs. Bird has 2 legs. Bird has a hard beak with no teeth. Different types of birds eat different food. Most birds are carnivorous or eat insects or fish. Many birds live on seeds and fruit. Birds are found on every continent of the world. Do you have bird at home? Now we are going to make bird. I will take out the paper from the plastic first. This one, white paper, this is the body of the bird. And this square paper is for the wings. And these 2 rectangles are for the tail. And the last one, this for the beak. I will start with fold the paper for the tail. Do like this. And the other one. And now the square paper. You need to fold it also. And you need to take the body of the bird. I already give the incision here. You only need to insert this paper into the incision. And fold like this. And now we are going to paste here. What is this? The tail. We need to take glue spread the glue here. Stick on like this. This side, and then on the other side, this one. Make sure it sticks well. You need to spread the glue here. Look. And the last one, you need to stick on the beak. Spread the glue and then open, stick on like this. Okay, and the last one, you need to draw the eye of the bird. And you may draw or color on this white paper. Finish with Miss Rita today. Goodbye everyone.